marathon runner running in place. Carved through the hills like a river to nowhere. A little less thinking, a little more space. I'm doing my best, looking for rest, for a marathon mind. Heavy's the head that lives in the clouds. Searching for problems to answers I've found. It ain't good for nothing, it just adds to the noise. Choir static, what's one more